Hello techies, welcome to DevOps Lessons. Now we'll talk about the Ansible. Ansible is an open source application which is used for the automated software provisioning, configuration management, and application deployment. Ansible is the backbone of controlling an automated cluster environment consisting of many machines. Ansible works on the client-server model. Client acts as a master, which is a center point in our cluster and provides centralized control of all client machines that are connected to it. We can give any command to any client machine or deploy any application to more than one machine from a single master machine. Ansible is a configuration management tool similar to Puppet and Chef. You can use it to configure your infrastructure and automate deployment. It is even termed as a configuration management tool. This tool provides the feature to organize infrastructure and automate the process of deployment in a streamlined manner. The features that drove Ansible tool under popularity are suppleness and simplicity. It has a similar IAC method as the Puppet has. Ansible is another powerful tool that offers the continuous delivery feature. With effective server and configuration management, this tool can ease IT automation, ending repetitive tasks and enabling faster deployments. Cloud provisioning, application deployment are among the other key features of Ansible. Now, if you see there, the main features of Ansible. One is an open source that allows for easy deployment of the applications. The simplified software development process. Teams can eliminate repetitive tasks through IT automation and focus more on accomplishing strategic work. Ideal tool for small teams to speed up the development process and manage complex deployment effectively. Now we'll talk about the Puppet and Puppet Enterprise. Puppet is another configuration management tool and automated provisioning tool which is a cross-platform runs on both Unix and Microsoft systems. It is an alternative to Ansible and provides better control over the client machines. Unlike Ansible, Puppet is an agent-based tool. Puppet Master runs on the master machine and Puppet Agent runs on all client machines. It is used for the automation of process including software inspection, provisioning, patching, and management of operating systems and application components across enterprise and cloud environments. Puppet allows enterprises to manage the entire infrastructure as code without enlarging the team size. The tool eliminates manual work and accelerates the software delivery process. It automates the methods of inspecting, delivering, and operating the software in order to reach the delivery deadline quickly and securely. It allows small teams to manage large-scale projects effectively. Moreover, DevOps teams can manage multiple coding and other resources in Puppet. Puppet is used by Microsoft, Google, Accenture, etc. If you see the main features of the Puppet is 1. Integrates seamlessly with most of the DevOps tools, visual workflow and intelligent orchestration, manage and module entire infrastructure, provides node management, access control delineated by role and real-time report. Now if you see Puppet Enterprises. Puppet Enterprise is a cross-platform configuration management platform. It allows you to manage your infrastructure as code. As it automates infrastructure management, you can deliver software faster and more securely. Puppet also provides developers with an open source tool for smaller projects. However, if you're dealing with large infrastructure, you may find value in Puppet Enterprise extra features such as real-time reports, role-based access control, node administration. With Puppet Enterprise, you can manage multiple teams and thousands of resources. It automatically understands relationships within your infrastructure. It deals with dependencies and handles failures smartly. When it encounters a failed configuration, it skips all the dependent configuration as well. The best thing about the Puppet is that it has more than 5,000 modules and integrates with many popular DevOps tools. Now we'll talk about the Chef. Chef is another open source tool and a Ruby based configuration management tool that uses cookbooks where infrastructure is coded in domain specific language with limited programming. Chef is a configuration management tool that improves DevOps processes as well as increase consistency and speed of the task. Chef is used to manage configuration like creating or removing a user, adding SSH key to a user present on multiple nodes, installing or removing a service, etc. We can manage up to 10,000 nodes by using Chef. These changes are pushed by the cookbooks or recipes. Chef has three major components, that is Chef server, workstation, and nodes. Chef server is the central point where all the details of our Chef infrastructure resides. Chef workstation holds recipes or cookbooks which pushes particular configuration toward Chef infrastructure. Nodes are simple machines which are configured by the Chef. Chef has API support from AWS, Azure, Rackspace, which makes it easy to use with infrastructure as a code methodology. Being a cloud-based system, it can be accessed through any device and at any time at any place. It helps developers to leverage consistency, speed, and scalability. The only drawback of Chef is it might be unavailable if there is any server issues. If you see there the important features of Chef, one is accelerate cloud adoption, support multiple platforms such as FreeBSD, RHEL, CentOS, AIX, and many more. And also it manages multiple cloud environments, manage data centers effectively, and also it will control your infrastructure. Next, we'll talk about the Negios. Negios is one of the most popular another open source DevOps monitoring tool. It allows you to monitor your infrastructure so that you can find and fix problems. With Negios, you can keep records of events, outages, and failures. You can also keep an eye on trends with the help of the Negios graphs and reports. This way, you can forecast outages and errors and detect security threats. Negios is used for the continuous monitoring of infrastructure. Negios provides server monitoring. We can monitor whole data center from a single server. We can see whether switches are working correctly, servers are not behaving too much load, or if any part of the application is down. It provides a nice GUI interface to check various details like how much memory is used, what is the span speed, routing tables of switches, or state of the SQL server. Negios has a modular design. It supports NRPE plugins, which can be used to add monitoring parameters on existing Negios. There are the various plugins available on the internet which can be used freely to add features to Negios. Negios is the most popular tool in continuous monitoring. Although there are many DevOps tools for the infrastructure monitoring, Negios stands out due to its rich plugin ecosystem. As Negios has been around for a while, since 2002, there is a vast community around it. Besides plugins, they also make add-ons, tutorials, translations, and other goodies, all for free. Negios offer four open source monitoring solutions. One is Negios Core, Negios 11, Negios Log Server, Negios Fusion. Negios Core is a command line tool with all basic functionalities. You can also opt for Negios 11 that comes with a web-based GUI and monitoring wizard. Negios write a handy comparison of their capabilities. Negios Log Server lets you search log data and set up alerts about potential threats, and Negios Fusion allows you to monitor multiple networks at the same time. On the whole, Negios provides DevOps teams with an infrastructure monitoring solution. With all these features, Negios is considered as the best DevOps monitoring framework. Now we will talk about Splunk. Splunk is a powerful tool that has significant role in monitoring and explore machine generated data. It is very effective information sharing mechanism. Splunk is a software platform that converts the machine data into a valuable information. For this, it's gathered the data from different machines, websites, and many more. If you see Splunk having key features, one, Splunk Enterprise will help you in aggregating, analyzing, and finding answers from your own machine data. Splunk Lite provides features for small IT environments. With the help of Splunk Cloud, Splunk can be deployed and managed as a service. Now we will talk about the Prometheus tool. Prometheus is a lightweight, open source, and one of the most popular monitoring system built for the modern applications monitoring. Prometheus will support Linux servers and container monitoring. Prometheus has become the most popular tool for monitoring Kubernetes workloads. Even though the Kubernetes ecosystem grows more each and every day, there are certain tools for specific problems that the community keep using. Prometheus is one of them. The gap Prometheus fills is for monitoring and alerting. Prometheus is written in Golang. Some of its components are written in Ruby, but most of the components are written in Go language. This means you have a single binary executable file. You can download and run Prometheus with its components. Prometheus is fully Docker compatible, and a number of Prometheus components within Prometheus itself are available on the Docker Hub. Now we will talk about the SonarQube. SonarQube, formerly called as Sonar. SonarQube is an open source platform developed by the Sonar source for the continuous inspection of code quality to perform automatic reviews with static analysis of code to detect bugs, code smells, and security vulnerabilities by using 20 plus programming languages. SonarQube offers reports on duplicate code, code standards, unit tests, code coverage, code complexity, comments, bugs, and security vulnerabilities. These are all the reporting offers by the SonarQube. SonarQube can record metrics history and provide evaluation graphs. SonarQube provides fully automated analysis and integration with Maven, Ant, Gradle, and MS Builds and a continuous integration tools such as Bamboo, Jenkins, and Hudson, and many more. SonarQube collects and analyzes source code, measuring code quality, and provides reports for your projects. It combines static and dynamic analysis tools and enables quality to be measured continuously over time. Everything that affects our code base, from minor styling details to critical design errors, is inspected and evaluated by the SonarQube, thereby enabling developers to access and track code analysis data ranging from styling errors, potential bugs, and code defects to design inefficiencies, code duplication, lack of test coverage, and excess complexity. The Sonar platform analyzes source code from different aspects, and hence it's drilled down to your code layer by layer, moving from one module to another module to the class level. At each level, SonarQube produces metric values and statistics revealing problematic areas in the source that requires inspection and improvement. Now we'll talk about the Nexus. Nexus Repository OSS is an open source repository that supports many artifact formats, including Docker, Java, and NPM. With the Nexus tool integration, pipelining in your toolchain can publish and retrieve version apps and their dependencies by using central repositories that are accessible from other environments. Now we'll talk about the EngineX. If you see formally it is pronounced as the EngineX is an open source software for web serving, reverse proxying, caching, load balancing, media streaming, and many more. In addition to its HTTP server capabilities, EngineX can also function as a proxy server for email purpose, and reverse proxy and load balancing for HTTP, TCP, and UDP servers. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.